few things I am not. I am not a cat. I am not an institutional investor. As for me, I like the stock. I'm as bullish as I've ever been on a potential turnaround for GameStop, and I remain invested in the company.
It's the first time Roaring Kitty, also known as Keith Gill, that's his real name, had posted in 3 years. This is what he posted. It was a meme on X, this simple drawing of a gamer leaning forward in a chair, and it sent investors reeling.
We continue to monitor meme stocks this morning after Roaring Kitty, the person who's seen as the Kickstarter of the meme stock frenzy during COVID, posted online for the first time since 2021.
And when you show the lean forward, it means this just got serious. So Roaring Kitty is sending a message to his minions. This just got serious, and I'm back.
This morning, GameStop mania leaving a big mark on Wall Street. The Dow, S&P 500, and NASDAQ all posting big losses Friday, but GameStop shares kept surging.
In 1966, Andy Dufresne escaped from Shawshank Prison. All they found of him was a muddy set of prison clothes, a bar of soap, and an old rock hammer, damn near worn down to the nub.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Cheers! Happy Friday, happy holidays. I hope everyone's having a great week. Surprise! GameStop's up about 5x from when I uploaded those videos over the summer. Right now, I need to step away from streaming, spend some time with my family for a bit. If I'll be back, I just don't know when. I don't know the timeline. If you reach out to me and I don't respond, it's just because I'm kind of unplugging completely. Again, thank you to everybody. I hope you've had a fun time, and I'll see you around.
I remember thinking it would take a man 600 years to tunnel through the wall with it. Old Andy did it in less than 20.
These are guys that are actively bankrupting companies to make money. We just totally gave them the middle finger.
The stock hits $483, which is mind-boggling.
Oh, Andy loved geology. I imagine it appealed to his meticulous nature. An ice age here, million years of mountain building there. Geology is the study of pressure and time. That's all it takes, really. Pressure and time. That and a big goddamn poster.
These hedge funds were shorting GameStop, right? So they decided, we're going to buy GameStop. We're going to their whole system up.
Hedge funds and billionaires took out a massive short position on the company called GameStop. A band of Redditors on a subreddit called Wall Street Bets called their bluff, drove the stock up to the tune of thousands of percentile more to force those hedge funds to liquidate billions of dollars in losses, while the merry band of Redditors gets rich. It's the ultimate David and Goliath story. Underemployed and unemployed, sitting at home in their pajamas, using the power of the internet and new trading platforms like Robinhood to destroy the kings of American finance. We are never going to go back to the old ways of doing business, and Wall Street knows this. So what's their solution? It's one that we, my friends, must resist absolutely at all costs. Now they know that they do not have a monopoly on manipulating the market. They are going to do everything in their power to go after you and people like me who are not on the side of the billionaire elite.
Like I said, in prison, a man will do most anything to keep his mind occupied.
The idea that I use social media to promote GameStop stock to unwitting investors and influence the market is preposterous. My post did not cause the movement of billions of dollars into GameStop shares. It is tragic that some people lost money, and my heart goes out to them. But what happened in January just demonstrates again that investing in public securities is extremely risky. As I said earlier, I consider myself and my family fortunate with our investment. When the stock price broke $20 in December, I knew my investment was a success. I was so happy to visit my family in Brockton for the holidays. The money will go such a long way for us. We had an incredibly difficult 2020. Most difficult was the tragic and unexpected loss of my sister Sarah in June. I am grateful to be in a position to give back to and support my family.
Turns out, Andy's favorite hobby was toting his wall out into the exercise yard. A handful at a time. I guess after Tommy was killed, Andy decided he'd been here just about long enough.
Split. Want to get home?
Andy did like he was told. buffed those shoes to a high mirror shine. The guard simply didn't notice. Neither did I. I mean, seriously, how often do you really look at a man's shoes?